guys are not gonna believe what is going on right now. There's literally a helicopter right there on the sky. I don't know who they're chasing down. Somebody gonna get hurt real bad. Look at that helicopter chasing down, looking for a criminal. It's almost kind of unsafe for me to be out here right now. Do you guys see that? Look at this. Look at that. Helicopter chasing down criminals. Look at that. Just look at that. Holy crap. What the heck is going on even? I have never seen something like this before. Look at this. Helicopter looking for criminals with spotlight. Look at that. He's looking at me now. Don't shoot me, bro. Don't shoot me. Holy guacamole. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside before I die. Signing out, Rafi, Northridge, California. Helicopter trying to spot criminal on the loose. Here we go.